I think it's genuinely been like one of the best summers that I've ever experienced.
It's very rare that, an intern gets to learn from such high caliber engineers.
Learning directly from the people who've built these great billion-dollar companies.
Definitely like the friends I've made along the way.
All the KP fellows are like really cracked.
The KP Fellows program is where like every fellow is interning at one of the portfolio companies at KP. And for me, it was very surreal because I remember like I started using Figma in middle school.
Over the summer, I've gotten to know a feeling that emanates directly from the engineering team at Nooks. A motivation, a grit, and it's a kind of feeling that I would like to sort of encounter again later in my life when I'm starting my own company.
My favorite part about Harvey, beyond just the people, is the amount of impact I have over here. I've only been here like 4 weeks and I've already shipped out features that go out to consumers. And it's really cool to see that impact so early on. My favorite thing about working at Harvey is just how dedicated and committed everyone is to solving problems on a daily basis. And for me, the most memorable thing has been just how relentless and hardworking everyone is. It's a really unique opportunity to meet really successful founders and kind of learn how KP helped them, but also what they did as founders to be successful.
Seeing the founders at Harvey and Browserbase talk about how passionate they are about the problem that they're solving really resonated with me.
If you're gonna win and you're gonna be a founder, that you have to go all in on this thing.
If you really want to start a startup, you need to be very obsessed.
Go big, do something meaningful in the world that actually moves the needle.
I think all the fellows right now are like perfect fits because I think they all have a desire to learn and really interested in performing well at their startups and then just like getting to know the fellows.
So getting to meet like really inspiring but also down-to-earth people has just been so fun.
I found myself and like some other KP fellows hanging out like almost every single day.
These are sort of friendships you will hold for a long time, and I'm super grateful to have been given that opportunity.
For me, the most valuable part has been kind of the people I've got to meet, just how awesome and smart they are, but also what we can do for each other in our lives.
Talking with some of the investors as well on the KP side was really interesting. I was able to learn a lot, especially from Ilya Fushman that we got to meet. He comes from such a technical background.
Tomas has been super fun to talk to, especially because of his engineering experience as well. Hearing his story and how it came to be and like what it takes to be like one of those founding people.
My decision to go into startups has strengthened a lot from these programs.
Before KP, I literally knew nothing about anything in the startup world or the investing side.
It made me zoom out and stop thinking about careers in terms of just roles and companies and start thinking in terms of how do I want to carve my own path and how do I have the most ownership and the most impact possible at the different places I go to. That's something that I've realized is very important to me and is going to change my career trajectory moving forward.